What's up, everybody? Hope the day's treating you good. Oh, this one's getting in trouble. I was really excited to get these. That's why I had to get. When you get a coin, a nice little promo, it's a win-win. Different colors and stuff. This one gives me like Toy Story vibes. You have saved our lives. There's a meteor. Can't go wrong. Let's see what's popping. This is the set that I've actually gotten the most packs of. Not on purpose, but let's see what I can get. It is one of my favorite sets, so I will say that. 10 foil, you got it. Oh, I don't think I've seen that card. Cool. Ooh, I will take that. An infinite power. Their holos are just so cool. Catch you guys on the next one. Like and subscribe for more. Peace.